Tired of taking notes during Zoom meetings? AI transcription tools can help. They transcribe multi-speaker meetings, summarize discussions, and highlight key points, saving you time and effort. Start by selecting an AI transcription tool that suits your needs. Options like Otter.ai, Sonix, and Descript offer real-time transcription and speaker identification. Consider factors like integration with Zoom, handling of accents, and pricing. Integrating your chosen tool with Zoom is simple. For example, with Otter.ai, enable the integration in Zoom settings, log into your Otter account, and you're ready to transcribe meetings in real time. Once integrated, start your Zoom meeting. The AI tool will automatically begin recording and transcribing the conversation, identifying and labeling each speaker for clarity. After the meeting, review the transcription for accuracy. While AI tools are precise, occasional errors may occur. Edit any mistakes, ensuring correct speaker identification and proper punctuation before sharing. Finally, share the polished transcription with your team. Most AI tools allow exporting as a document or sharing a live link for real-time collaboration, enhancing team productivity.